A Loitta Macher Jhuri is over 100-year-old recipe that I learned from my in-laws. So I don't know if this is an authentic recipe, but being a bhalo ghoti mein, I learned this from my Bengal shoshur badi. Lote Mach or Loitta Mach is a very soft and watery fish that has one single backbone running lengthwise. It has some very small, soft bones that completely melt off while cooking. Along with the fish, we are using pumpkin, some garlic, and onion to give this recipe a uniform texture. So, once the pumpkin has been cut in cubes and you have chopped the onion and garlic, we can start cooking this dish by heating some oil in a pan and by sauteing the onion and garlic till they turn translucent. After that, add the pumpkin pieces and the fish. Mix it very well before adding salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Once you start mixing, you will notice that the fish will start breaking off, so it's completely fine. Cover the pan and allow this to cook. In 4-5 minutes, the fish will start releasing a lot of water. Break down the pieces of the pumpkin and fish with the back of your spoon and keep cooking on medium low heat. As it dries completely, it's time to serve it with some garam bhat. You will find all the details in description below.